Hey guys, have another one for you. This time I'm in Hill City in North Chattanooga, right through the tunnels and behind Mike's hole in the wall. Views of Lookout Mountain, views of the city, walking distance to Fraser, shopping, restaurants, grocery, all the things. This is 509 West Bell Avenue. It's a fully renovated, updated 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, plenty of space, previously used as a rental. This could be used as a primary for somebody who's looking, or it could be a great investment property for someone who's looking for that. So come in here, have a look, give us a call if you're interested, and we'll set up a private tour, but I'll give you a little peek right now.